All right, what we're going to go through today is connecting a Viking up to Carlson Skynet network for reference network. So what we need to do first is go to equip, and then we're going to use this GPS rover. And then we're going to use Carlson Viking. We already have it in here loaded, but if you had another receiver, what you could do is just pull down, select that. But we just have this Viking here right now, so we're going to use this. Receiver looks good. We got our 2-meter height in here. We're just going to go over to RTK. What we're using right now is Wi-Fi, just from a hotspot on our phone. So the tablet's connected to it, and that's why we selected here for the device. Data collector, GSM, or Wi-Fi. So we select that.
Here.
There's nothing
Successfully.
There's nothing that you have to select in here. You can just use it as default. And what we're going to pull down here is our Skynet RTN. And then we're going to hit this wrench. So we have our username in here. Skynet's going to provide this username and password automatically for you. And then what you're going to do is just punch these in. And that's all you need. There's no IP address. They already fill that out for you here in this setting. So there's no IP address, no port. RTK port is data. And all we have to do is hit the green check, and we'll see if we get connected. What we're using is the Wi-Fi. It's getting connected here, and it's going through its steps here to connect to the Skynet RTN.
Setup completed successfully.
And fantastic. We got connected. We're ready to survey.